If you want to charge other devices on your OnePlus 15R, then the only way to do so is by using a USB cable, because unfortunately we do not have a wireless power sharing option. We do have a wired power sharing option though, so we can use USB cable to connect our OnePlus 15R to another device. So this can be anything that has USB port, so another smartphone for example. There we go. Let's see which one will be charged. So there is a chance that if you connect your OnePlus 15R to another smartphone, then this one will be charged instead of charging. So you can go to notifications in that case, and you should be able to find this notification charging this device via USB. So you can select it and switch to reverse charging, so you can charge that other device instead. Now, besides that, of course, what you can also do is you can connect, like, let's say, earbuds or something, anything that has USB. You can just simply plug it in, and then you can charge it quite easily. There we go. There's like a light indicating that it is being charged. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.